everyone, we are from Newlacecu, and today I want to show you one of our toupee. And this one in our website we call it mixed base. You can see the base. The front is Swiss lace and the other part is PU. And the PU, the thickness is 006 to 008. And you can choose other thickness for thicker one to make it stronger. And the front Swiss lace, it is very thin. So you can see the front hairline, very natural, and we bleached the note to make it very natural looking. And it melts the skin. You can see. And for the color, this is number 4 color. We have number 1B, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5 color in stock. Also, we have several number 1 color. And for the noting, it has V-loop and single knot. This is a V-loop. If you choose a V-loop one, it will be cheaper than the single knot. And you can see the density, we call it medium density. So if you want to order, you can call us.